I really need someone. I need someone to give me that to do my assignments. It's currently 11:42 and we're just gonna consider this Vlogmas Day 15. So happy Vlogmas Day 15. I have 3 assignments. If you guys remember from yesterday's Vlogmas video, I've spent the whole night since I last talked to you guys watching YouTube. I just don't like. I just want to know how many mental breakdowns I'm gonna have before I finish them. Y'all, I have 3 assignments. 3. That's it. Y'all, like, this is it, like, just this week. It's just this week. That's it, Pookie. And it's not even the whole week. It's 2 days. Oh, hold on. 10 days until Christmas. Okay, anyway. Okay, we're gonna do this together because I'm not gonna get it done if I don't. I'll just do the, okay, this one, technically. This is Little Red Riding Hood. Should I just do that? Should I put December 14th so she thinks I did my work assignment earlier? Or do we do December 15th because that's the day it's due? What the frick? Okay, I'm gonna try my hardest to finish this paper. I want to listen to music though, so I'm gonna like not record anymore just because I can't listen to music because coming with an update, hopefully. I don't know. I'd like to be in bed before 2. So I said in bed like I'm not in bed. I'd like to be asleep before 2 or at 2 or something. So it's currently 11:52, so I will be back with an update. Y'all, I kind of want to cry because I went to go turn in my assignment and, you know, I finished it being that it's 13 minutes past 12. Ew, I sound like bits. It's 12:13. It's not the best, but we're not mad about it. But I didn't realize that we're supposed to do one work that we've studied in class and one that we haven't studied in class. I'm doing another one. Not like another one, like I'm still doing Little Red Riding Hood. But now I'm gonna do it on a song because I don't know what else to do. And I'm not trying to spend my whole night writing frickin' literature papers, so. So I'm gonna do Moon River because it is a classic and it's an amazing song and I'm gonna cry. Should I listen to Frank Ocean's or should I listen to Audrey's? Audrey it is. It's the way I love this movie and I want to die. Like, I haven't even hit play. I've been making Snapchats. I don't want to do it because it like ruins the fun of watching a movie. Like, I have to answer all these questions and like freaking, oh my god, I don't want to do that. Just a little update for you. It is currently 1:50 a.m. and I just got done writing my paper, single-spaced, 2 pages, and I had to hit all the bullet points. I just got done writing the paper for my class. This is what it looks like, just in case anybody was curious. I'm pretty happy about it. At least I know that I've gotten it done. Hey guys, it is 3 p.m. the same day, I guess technically. I just got done with my video, so I'm going to put it on a Google Drive so I can send it to him. I have to work on this tonight and probably wake up early tomorrow to use it, and then I have to submit portfolio pieces for both of the classes tomorrow, and then I'm done. Thank God. You guys are probably so tired of this, but it's up, thank God. And I have to edit my Vlogmas Day 14 because it has to go up today. I've been sitting here doing nothing for the past hour because I rewarded myself with doing nothing. I hate how I can't like play certain songs, but anyways, I was watching the Positions music video for the 20,000th time. Vlogmas Day 14 is going up now, thank God. I'm probably gonna edit the selection right now. I've gotten my documentary video done today. I've edited Vlogmas. It's live. When you see this, it'll already be up. I just got done editing the Book Talk Tuesday for this week. It's 14 minutes. Lord Jesus. Anyways, I was watching Ricky and Nene edits on YouTube because I'm ugly. Okay guys, it's currently 10 o'clock. It's currently 10 o'clock and I'm watching Bailey on YouTube while she talks about crime.
Hi friends, how are you today?
I just got done doing my project.
Normal, like I'm a real person.
I don't really know how I feel about it. Okay y'all, it's 11:08 and I just got done submitting all my assignments, doing all my ish, so I'm done for the semester. Thank God. I mean, technically it won't be done until tomorrow when I've finished classes and everything, but right now I'm importing all my vlogmas footage and I'm gonna go try to drink some sweet tea to see if it'll wake me up, because I'm a little tired, even though I shouldn't be because it's 11 and I can literally physically hear Bets being like, stop. Anyways, I'm waiting for this footage to import onto my laptop, so, or put it on my hard drive so that way I can obviously use it. I've been looking at my computer all day long to the point where I don't even want to do anything. Like, I just literally don't want to look at it any longer. Like, but I love watching commentary videos, so I have a bunch of the commentary videos that I want to watch and catch up on, but I haven't been able to because I've had schoolwork. And my battery's flashing, so I'm gonna have to charge this. So I guess I'm gonna go charge this, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 16. I love you guys so much. Bye.